I'm off the floor and I'm like, wait, I have to make dinner. And I'm like, oh. Melanin Palace, we have 3 orders, 2 to send out by mail and 1 to drop off tomorrow. When the camera is off, I have all these funny thoughts, eh? When it's on silence. My lighting is giving me issues today. Like, I'm in the car. It is 8 a.m. I mean, it is a little bit overcast, but I'm not shining and glowing the way I usually do. Maybe my glasses or I feel like that got better, but I might be delusional and it did not get better. But I'm gonna take off my glasses for now. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Welcome to Nina KB. This is the life of the Black African girl. And welcome to this weekly vlog. So, this week is gonna be all about, it's every week. Ow. My bracelet is like getting into my skin. Every week for me is about self-care. I really try to balance it out. I really do. But this week is going to be about self-care, and the highlight of the week is Dîner En Blanc. Dîner En Blanc, I'm going to tell you guys more about the history of it when I get back home. Right now I have to go and run errands. Some of you might be familiar with Dîner En Blanc, but I want to share, because I wrote down some historical facts and I don't want to get the names wrong, but to sum it up, a man in France traveled a long time ago, and when he came back he wanted to have a dinner party with his friends, and he had way too many people to invite. They couldn't fit in his house, so he did it in the park and he told everybody to wear all white. So I think they had such a great time, and they all brought their stuff. It was like a big picnic. I think they had such a great time, and they repeated it again the next year. And then it kept growing and so on and so forth. So now actually different cities do a Dîner En Blanc. Yeah, different cities do a Dîner En Blanc. I'm in Savannah. There's one, and it's actually really hard to get tickets or get on the wait list, so I feel very honored and blessed. So the way you can show up is if a friend invites you to go. So my friend Java invited me, so I'm very grateful, and now that she has invited me, I can invite somebody next year. I believe she waited on the wait list for like 6 years, and I'm so grateful that I've been bit by the Dîner En Blanc bug, because I get to invite somebody next year if I decide to go. So I'm really excited for the experience. You have to wear all whites, you know, Dîner En Blanc, and you bring everything, your tables, your cups, your mats, everything, any decoration, and there is a secret location, and they don't give it to you until they don't give it to you until 48 hours prior to, or 24 hours prior to. It's like a whole thing. So I have my dress and I'm so ready. I'm so excited. But yes, that's gonna be the highlight of this week. And then of course we're going to be going to work, balancing work and life, cleaning the apartment, you know, the responsible things, but we'll make it look sweet though. So that is what this week's vlog is about. Right now it is Sunday, October 12th, 2025, and I'm about to go get my grandfather, and we're gonna go do brunch, and I will run some errands. I've been listening to a lot of Umu Sangare lately, and those songs Seya is stuck in my head. I wish I could play it, but I don't want to get copyrighted, but Google it. I love it. I got my eyebrows done. I always feel like, who is she? I love getting my eyebrows done. I feel like it's just that last step. I feel like my whole face is together now. And I went to Ross and I picked up, you know, my Ghana sponge, like my African net sponge, no. It has done its time. I need a new one. And I've been suffering with the loofahs that we have here, and it's just like, it's not doing what I need to do. So I went to Ross and I grabbed like an exfoliating sponge. In the meantime, that will do. But until then, you know, I'll just have to wait, but it should be better. So just wanted to update y'all on that. And we're just gonna continue the Sunday, do some more resetting and all the good stuff. Guys, content creation is hard. If you guys could see the way I have I cannot speak. If you guys have seen the way I have placed this camera, like what? Okay, I have to take a picture of this because I'm literally gonna show you guys. Oh my gosh, we want the cool gadgets, but we have to budget, my dear. Hold on. I'm gonna put it in the video. I'm like, I hope it doesn't fall. Anyway, so you know when I was sitting and relaxing, yeah, that lasted for about 2 seconds because I had to make an order for somebody, which is, I love making orders for people, so that was not a problem. But then I was like, oh, I have to clean because I had to work on Saturday. So my Sunday was kind of rushed, and I was like, okay, like let me clean the bathtubs. And I'm like, okay, well I have to mop the floor. And I'm like, well, I have to make dinner. And I'm like, oh. So that research and that rest, it didn't really happen. Like a little bit. I did a little bit of research, but I was like barely paying attention to the movie. So we're gonna start making dinner. I'm gonna be making crepes. Les crêpes salées. Do you know I've been using a kebab stick?
You eating a kebab stick?
No, I've been using a kebab stick to put the melting bond on the edge and like put like my makeup on the edge, like a whole kebab stick.
Oh.
It's very thin, tu vois, non? Donc,
Et tu arrives à faire avec ça?
à ce que j'arrive, bon, ça fait quelque chose en tout cas. Donc, je vais te montrer une photo. C'est pas bon. It is what it is.
Yeah.
We're trying. I don't know. Sala, I don't know if it's human hair or synthetic or a hybrid because I got this in Ghana and they probably lied to me and told me it was human hair. For my flatty.
How does it feel like?
I put mousse in it today. And
It feels soft.
it's soft, but it doesn't feel like completely human. Like this is what the mousse did. I don't know. So I don't know if we can curl it. I don't know if we can apply heat.
We can try and see.
Cause it was bushy this morning. It was like, whah.
We can see. We can like take a small piece in the back
Yeah.
and try to see if it's going to.
This is gonna give. Okay. Anyway, black hair will make you want to cry sometimes. Hey, Jesus. Kobe Zoom. I'll see you on Friday. Bye.
Bye.
It's hot. I wore this to be cute. I wore my little cute like pink. My pink set to be cute. And now I'm sweating. And I have to mop the floor. I just feel like I need to decompress. I had some lavender tea earlier, like when I was getting off of work, and now I'm home and I need to mop my floor and it's like all the zen away. I'm like, I need to mop it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I have to sit down, and this is mainly for myself because I like to just have a to-do list. So I'm just talking for myself so I can know what to do. Then I'm gonna prepare the orders for Melanin Palace. We have 3 orders, 2 to send out by mail and 1 to drop off tomorrow. I love this era. Anyway, yes, I'm gonna send, they ordered shea butter. So I'm gonna send the shea butters, prepare it, to wrap it up, make it look cute. Okay. Hey, I have to change this. It's hot. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I love me some cartoons, especially like ones that make me feel nostalgic. Totally Spies, Bratz, Wings Club, Nickelodeon, la 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 la. So it was funny because I was literally trying to find what to watch. I'm like, what am I gonna put on? I was like, what am I gonna put on? Am I gonna put on a nostalgic African movie? Because I like to watch older Nollywood movies too. I thought I was gonna watch something serious, put something like serious in the background. Look what I chose. Fairly Odd Parents, guys. Like, I'm such a kid at heart, like seriously. Like on the weekends, I wake up and I will put on Totally Spies and just watch Totally Spies. It just takes you back to a time where life was just like simple. Simple. Good morning, you guys. Oh my goodness. I thought I cut my finger. Good morning. It is currently 7:03. I have to be out of the house at 7:05. No, 7:50. My wig is on. We're good. We have, like, the only thing I need to do is, like, literally, I've done everything, but I have to purchase labels, shipping labels for the Melanin Palace packages, and then I have to change for work. I am making beetroot juice with lime, apples, ginger, and beetroot. It's really good for your health, and I'm trying to do better and just maintain it so it's easier to do. I also have a juicer, and I love juicing. It's fun. I love juicing because I like seeing the process. Also, it tastes great, but the process is good too. Figuring out what to wear is really hard with the hair change because I have a lot of like bright colors, and well, this is navy blue, so I guess navy blue would help. Do like a navy blue. When the camera is off, I have all these funny thoughts, When it's on, silence. Crickets, crickets, crickets. But it's okay. C'est la vie, right? You guys should see the concoctions I'm coming up with to angle my camera. Because I don't have like a lot of stands. I just have one big tripod. But when I want to film on a surface, it's hard. I grabbed the mason jar to put on top of it. Hey, it works. We will not be limiting ourselves. Ain't that right? Let's get this juicing started because it's 7:06. I'm trying to be done at 7:15, like done with the juicing. Literally gives me like 11 minutes. This is the juicer we have. It's really simple to use in my opinion. So the juice comes out here and the pulp comes out on this nozzle. Guys, look at the pulp. Isn't that so pretty? This is like, it fell. This is like nature's gift. Ooh, and it smells so good. It smells very earthy and enriching, and it smells good. I love it. Ooh, yes, I can't wait to drink that. That is gonna be one of the many highlights of my day today because it's gonna be a good day, y'all.
Pas de soleil
park. It is currently 7:22 a.m. I have to rush and make a quick juice. Today I want to make I want to add cucumber if I have the time. Because, whew, by the way I'm moving, I won't have time. But this is the outfit of the day. Ooh, I'm really trying with my wig. This is like... my wig install journey is gonna be a journey. Guys, I'm telling you, my kebab steak. Ooh. Hey guys, this is I'm tired. I'm on my lunch, but I want to work on some editing for this video. The elevator. So yes, and I'm gonna eat later. I just really want to edit. Guys, there are these like mini croissants in the break room, so I got a little treat. They're very fall. I think it's like a caramel. It's a caramel apple strudel, so it's not a croissant. It's really good. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Dîner En Blanc look. I got my nails done, I got my hair done, I got my gold, and I got this beautiful dress from Fashion Nova. I'm really loving this look. Okay, so filming at this event is going to be not a struggle, but it's just so different. You know, when you guys are filming outside and get lots of people, lots of movement, lots of voices, it's not as controlled. It's not a really controlled environment. So this is gonna be a journey. So I'm gonna try my best to take the best footage and try to kind of encompass the night for you guys. Does that even make sense? Is that English? Encompass the night. I'll try to do my thing anyway. But yes, I'm really feeling myself. Okay. I'm gonna get ready. Well, I am ready, but I have to pack a few things like plates, jugs, one jug, one salad bowl, and it's all white. Everything has to be all white. We have to set up our table decoration all white, and we have some gold accents or silver, but my team chose gold. Some people can do both, I think, but it really depends on the instructions they give you. You have to print out your form. You have to bring your ID just to prove that you're the person who got the ticket. So guys, Dîner En Blanc Savannah 2025. Guys, I am feeling myself right now. Like, ooh, I'm feeling myself. Okay guys, I'm about to head out. I love the fit. I love the fit. I have my emergency perfume, got my nails on. Oh, I love being a girl. Yes. I'm about to head outside and wait for my ride. Bye. Hey guys, yeah, we're going. We are here at our meeting location, and it's gonna take us like, there's a butterfly. 15 minutes. It's gonna take us like 15 minutes to get to our actual location. So right now, people are just pulling in, and we're gonna just mingle, I guess. Yes. And then we'll all walk together to the exact location.
See you soon.
See you soon. This is good. This is good. This seafood salad is good. Who made it? Oh, it's really yummy, y'all.
Mama, Sarah, seafood salad is amazing.
Yeah, so yummy.
Oh yeah, that's good.
We got a lot of newbies here. If this is your second, third, or fourth time, I need you to make some noise. Because as the 5th year in the beautiful, beautiful city of Savannah, Georgia, I am pleased to be here with you. So with that being said, we are now lighting the sparklers, everybody. Dedicated to the beautiful state of Georgia. Georgia.
Maybe one at a time.
Yeah.
Light your sparklers.
Georgia.